Alright guys, welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson I want to show you how to insert your signature when working in Microsoft Word. Now let's say you've prepared your document and you now want to insert your signature in MS Word. This is how best you have to do it. So first and foremost, sign on a sheet of paper and make sure you upload that. Take a snap of that picture of that signature and upload it to your computer through maybe WhatsApp and email and so on. So this is an example of the signature that I've uploaded to my computer that I want to use in this lesson. This is just for education and demonstration purpose. Now I'm going to close this. Now back to our Word document, and this is where I want to have my signature. Now since you have uploaded your signature to your computer, now this is what you can do. Go to your insert tab, and then under the illustration click on pictures and select this device. Now locate where you have the signature in your computer. For example, I have it on my desktop, so I'm going to look for it. This is signature, and then I'm going to insert it, and then you have it this way. So once you have it this way, you can actually drag it this way to reduce the size and the space of that signature. Let me drag it this way, and once you have it this way, it is selected. If I click on it, select it this way, and then it will activate the picture format, and then go to crop. You can crop it a bit. If you have excess spaces, you can of course crop it this way to make sure to reduce the excess spacing that you may have when you take a snap of your signature. So once you have cropped it this way, just click on outside, and then you have it this way. So the next thing you can do is that you select it, and then under picture format, go to where we have adjust, and then under color, select color, and then you see a whole lot of color saturation that we have there. Now under recolor, then select this black and white 75%. This is black and white 50%, and this is black and white 25%. But in most cases, you select this black and white 75%, but if it doesn't work for you, you can select the black and white 50%. So let's select the black and white 75%, and then this is what we have. And then let's get rid of the background that we have in this signature. So to do that, go to under insert, then adjust, go to remove background, and then click on it. And then you have your signature selected this way, and then come and select it that says mark area to keep. Just select it, and then from you can see that the signature has already been highlighted in a pink color. So what you can do is that just select the area that are faded in your signature. For example, this line is faded. I'll just click on it to select it to make sure that by the time I have my final signature, nothing is actually missing. So select it, any part of your signature that is not that highlighted, that is not thick, it's not bold, just make sure you use this tool to select it this way, and then we have it. So from here, you can click on keep changes. I'll click on keep changes, and then we have it this way. Now that is our signature. You can resize the way you want it. So but let me leave it this way. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to have a signature line. So just click on where you want to have that signature line, and then go to insert, and then under the text click on signature line, and then you can have the name, say suggested signer. So we are correct. Let me just put my name for demonstration purpose. So, and job title of the person, let me just have it as manager. And then you can have the email of the person, and you can have all of that stuff. You can tick on this if you want the person to have dialog comment, and if you want to show sign date in signature line, you can tick on this, but I don't want that. So I'll just leave it this way, and I'll click on OK, and then I have it this way. So if you want it to align with this signature, click on the signature, and under this layout option, click on it and select this option that says in front of text. Select in front of text and then adjust your signature this way. I can resize it, adjust your signature this way, and then you have it. So you can even save this signature, you can adjust it this way, and you can save this format for future use. If you want to make use of it again, maybe in subsequent document, you can actually save this format. So how do we do that? Just highlight it, the format you want to save, the signature and you want to save, highlight it this way and go to insert. Under insert, come to where we have the quick path. Select quick path and say save selection to quick path. Just click on it, you have a dialog box, and then fill your details. You just say Olu signature, and then you just click on save, and then you have it. So whenever, let me get rid of this. Let's say I want to get rid of this. So let's say I want to sign this document now. Simply have to go to under my insert and then the quick path, and then I have it this way. I'll just click on it and then it appears again. Wonderful. So that is the best and the most efficient way to sign a Word document in Microsoft Word. So this is all I want to cover in this lesson. If you have learned anything at all, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.